How to make GIF on WhatsApp. First of all, go to Chrome. Now search for on-screen GIF. After that, click on that first website. Here you guys will upload the clip that you want to convert to GIF on WhatsApp. So I will simply upload the clip. Now wait. It will not took a long. It will took around 1 or 2 minutes. We will wait simply. Once countdown completes, after that click on download. We will wait. Here we go. Our GIF was created. Now the question is how we can use it on WhatsApp. So simply I will click on share. After that you guys will click on copy. Once you guys copy it, you will simply go to WhatsApp. Here you guys can go to any chat. Here I will simply click on paste. So you guys can see I cannot paste it. But for that I will simply click on that 4 cubes on keyboard. Now click on clipboard. After that you guys can see that GIF. So I will simply click on that. And here we go. Now I will simply click on send. Our looping GIF will be created on WhatsApp and will be sent it. That's how you guys can use it. Thanks for watching.